Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy any company shares using an easy method. First, you'll need to open a brokerage account, which is like a bank account for investments. Many online brokers offer low fees, sometimes even zero commissions on stock trades. Once your account is set up, you'll transfer funds into it, typically a minimum of $50 to $100 to start. Then, you're ready to begin researching potential investments. Choosing the right brokerage account is a crucial first step. You'll want to compare options based on factors like trading fees, which can range from $0 to several dollars per trade. Look for platforms that offer a wide selection of investment products and robust research tools. Many popular online brokers provide excellent mobile apps, allowing you to manage your investments conveniently from anywhere. Always prioritize a broker with strong security measures. Once your account is funded, it's time to research companies. Look for businesses with strong fundamentals, a clear growth strategy, and a competitive advantage. You can use your broker's research tools or independent financial news sources. When you're ready to buy, you'll place an order. A market order buys shares at the current price, while a limit order lets you specify a maximum price you're willing to pay, offering more control. After buying shares, the journey doesn't end. It's important to manage your investments. Regularly review your portfolio's performance and stay updated on company news. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider investing in several different companies across various industries to spread risk. Remember, investing is a long-term game, so patience and consistent monitoring are essential for success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.